Warning, this video will delete your fear of failure. Don't click away, your future self will regret it. Right now, thousands of people are letting fear steal their destiny. You might be one of them. But in few minutes, we're hacking your brain to erase this fear permanently. The secret? Failure isn't real. It's a glitch in how you think. Every legendary life is built on failures you've never heard of. Today, you join their ranks. Part 1. What fear of failure really is. Fear of failure is a survival instinct gone rogue. It's your mind trying to protect you from the unknown, not from real danger, but from discomfort. In ancient times, failure meant death. Today, it means judgment, embarrassment, rejection. And so the brain confuses discomfort with danger. But here's the truth. Failure is not the enemy. It's a teacher, a brutal, honest, invaluable teacher. And avoiding it is the fastest way to guarantee regret. Seneca said, "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." Most of what you fear doesn't exist outside your mind. Part 2. The root of the fear. Your fear isn't about the failure. It's about what the failure says about you. I'm not good enough. They'll laugh at me. I'll lose everything. But these are not truths. They are beliefs shaped by childhood shame, societal pressure, and perfectionism. Stoic philosophers like Epictetus taught, it's not events that disturb us, but our judgment about them. You think failing means you're a failure. It doesn't. It means you tried something courageous. Psychologically, this fear often ties to identity. You avoid failure to protect the story you've built about who you are, but real growth begins when you stop protecting your ego and start expanding your mind. Part 3. A Stoic reframe. Now take a breath. What if failure wasn't a threat, but a gift? Marcus Aurelius faced immense challenges, war, betrayal, plague, and yet he wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." That quote isn't just poetic, it's powerful psychology. What if the thing you're afraid of is the very thing that will grow you? Every failure is data, feedback, a signpost, not a verdict. And the Stoic path is not to avoid pain, but to transform it into strength. You are not your mistakes. You are your willingness to rise after making them. Part 4. A thought experiment. Let's do something. Close your eyes and imagine your life 1 year from now. If you never try because you're scared to fail. Now imagine you try, you fail, you learn, you adapt, and you succeed. Not in one giant leap, but in steps, each one more informed, more grounded, more you. Which version of you would your future self be proud of? Courage isn't the absence of fear, it's action despite fear. That's the Stoic path. That's the path of the free thinker. So here's your challenge. Fail. Fail often, but do it consciously, wisely, and unapologetically. Because the greatest failure is never beginning. Your time is now, not when you're ready, not when you're fearless. Now, if this message resonated with your spirit, consider sharing it. Someone out there might be carrying the same questions, the same doubts, the same quiet hope, and your sharing might be the reminder they need. Stay true, stay kind, stay you. For more insights on philosophy, personal growth, and the art of clear thinking, subscribe and turn on notifications. Flow through life and embrace the journey of thought with curiosity and insight. Seek truth, seek wisdom, and remember to question everything. Until next time, stay curious.